Hello guys, welcome to Xenith Tutorials. My name is Xenith Daniel, and because of the feedbacks I get from Instagram, Facebook, people telling me to do a tutorial on how to edit with Premiere Pro. So today I said, okay, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to edit with Premiere Pro. So I will be showing you guys the 6 steps that I take when I want to edit in Premiere Pro, and it's going to help you guys, the beginners, to start editing in Premiere Pro. So without wasting time, let's dive into Premiere Pro. So we open up our Adobe Premiere Pro. It's loading, and this pops up. All we have to do now is to create a new project. We click here, new project. We name the project Tutorials. Tutorials. Click OK. This thing pops up. Then the first thing we have to do is to import our footage, the footage that we want to edit. We import it. So you come here, import media to start, double click, and you go to where it takes you to the file manager. Then you go to where you kept the video you want to edit. Come here, you highlight them, and then hit OK. Then see, import it. Now when it's done importing, you go to this place, file, new, then sequence from clip, and click it. Then you see it brings the video to the timeline here for you to start editing. So the thing there is that I'm not done importing. I still have to import the music, the audio. I go to file, import, come to my music. I want to import a music for this video. It imports the audio and bring it under. So the second thing we have to do, the second step we have to take, is to build the story. I want to do a gospel video. All you have to do first is to listen to the audio and then know what we are going to do. Now what I do is I mute this one. This is my song and this is my audio. So I listen to the audio.
God created the universe. He loves you. No matter what you have done, just go to Him and ask for mercy, and He will forgive you.
Yes, this is where I want the audio to stop. So I shift it there. Just watch what I'm doing. So what I want to do now is I want to place the pictures, the videos in place. I want to use this drone shot to represent the universe, because if you look at this one, it's a video of a picture of a girl crying, and this one is a picture of a boy crying, and this other one is a picture of a guy walking, and this one is a picture of a man crying under the rain. So this one is the one that best suits the God created the universe that I say. So I bring it first, I put it first. Now
God created the universe.
Okay, so God created the universe. We put delete. So
God created the universe.
Okay.
He loves you.
He loves you. You see, this girl's picture appears. He loves you. He loves you.
He loves you.
Okay. Let's. I like the picture of the girl there. Let's look for the next thing. Let's check the next thing that I say.
No matter what you have done.
No matter what you have done, I need a video of a person that is sad, crying, that he or she has sinned against God, and I have a video of this guy, feeling sad. So I bring it up here, and then let's play it.
No matter what you have done.
You see the picture of a guy crying. Okay, so let's hear what I said again. The next thing that I said, we are building the story.
Just go to Him.
Just go to Him. just go to him. So I need the video of this guy walking. Let's go to him. Let's go to him. As for these videos that I'm using are stock footage that I got from Mixkit. If you want to use the exact video that I used in this tutorials, if you want to use the exact videos, the link of the videos in the description below. Let's continue. So
Just go to him and
just
ask
go
for
to
mercy.
him. Just go to him. Then and ask for mercy. That's the next thing I said. And I use this video of a man praying under the rain and crying.
And ask for mercy,
You see,
and
he.
he will forgive you.
So I want to write that the end of this part out. This place that I said, and he will forgive you. I will write, and he will forgive you here. But we are coming to the titles. So let's listen to the audio and know if it's aligned with the picture. If the story that we're building is okay.
God created the universe.
Okay.
He loves you.
Yes.
No matter what you have done,
Yes.
just go to him and ask for mercy,
And ask for mercy.
and he will forgive you.
And he will forgive you. You see, our story is perfect. Our story is okay. So the next thing we have to do, that's number 3, is color correction and color grading. These two things, they are two different things: to color correct and to color grade. Color grading and color correction, I'm not going to talk much on that. I've done a video on color grading and color correction. The link of the video in the description. So the first thing you have to do if you want to color grade or color correct, you go to this new this place and you hit this adjustment layer because you have many stock footage there. So you click, put it on top of the videos. Now let's go and color correct. Color correction is just to balance the light in the footage. Just to make sure that the exposure, the contrast, and the shadows and the highlights are okay. That's just for color correction. Color grading is just to color the footage, just to give it a little more color, the way you want it to look. For more detailed understanding on this course, on this color grading and color correction, go to my video. I have a video of color grading and color correction, the link in the description below. Just go and check it out and you will learn from it. So after color correction and color grading, the next step we have to take is sound design. Yes, sound design. Sound design is just to design the sound, to make sure that the sound is pleasant for the audience. Is this okay for the people hearing the sound? So now this is my music, so let me open it and then play. Let me play the music. So this is my music. Let me unmute it and then let's play the video.
God created the universe. He loves you. No matter what you have done, just go to him and ask for mercy.
If you listen closely, you will notice a little background noise in my audio, in my voice there. So, what we have to do is to go to the effect. Come here, click here, effects. Then you come to the audio effect. We want to denoise the background noise. This is the noise. You look for this effect, bring it, put it on the audio. Then you have denoised those background noise. Other effects that I add to my audio is this effect dynamics. I add it to my my audio, then go to the effect control panel, then to the dynamics, then click edit, go to soft compression, then I just leave it like that, and I add another effect like parametric equalizer. I add it again to the audio, then come to the effect control panel again, then go to edit, hit this HP, this thing comes down. It's like adding contrast to your audio. take it loud, take it up like this, and then think it's okay. The music is a little bit loud. Then go to my effect control panel, then go to this level, that's to reduce the volume of the music, then hit it and take down the levels to -5. I think the sound is okay for me, the audio is okay for me, so we are done with sound design. So I'm just going to show you guys how to write things on your videos. So click here, you go to this type tool, click it, and go to your video and you click it, and look at this thing pops up. It's like a video. Take it close to where you want the text to be, and then come to this place, click here and write what you want to write. And he will forgive you, and he will forgive you. I'm done writing it. You bring it to the middle, then come here to the effect control panel to this text. Then you can change the front of the text to any style you want. You can change it to impact, but I like this impact. I'll just leave it in impact. I'll just leave it like this, and then come close here. Now that I'm done with the title, all I just need to do is, if you look at the video, let's play the video so that you watch
God
it.
created the universe. He loves you. No matter what you have done, just go to Him and ask for mercy, and He will forgive you.
You see, now this video looks okay, but we need some transitions. Go to the video transition, go to video transitions. I want to add this effect, cross dissolve, start adding it. Now let's play the video finally so that we can export, which is the next thing we have to do, which is the next step.
God created the universe. He loves you. No matter what you have done, just go to Him and ask for mercy, and He will forgive you.
Our video is okay now. We have followed the 5 steps and we have gotten to this point. 6th step, the export setting. Now, how do we export? First, we go to File, then you come down to Export, then to Media. Then this thing pops up. So the formats, you have many formats here. You have the GIF, you have the AVI, and many other formats, the PNG. You have many other formats here, the Blu-ray, MP3, JPEG, many formats here. But the format that I use in exporting is H.264. Click it and come to this preset. They have many presets here. If you come down, you see YouTube 4K, YouTube Ultra 4K HD, YouTube 180 Full HD, YouTube 480 SD, YouTube 720 SD. They have mobile device 4K. They have high quality 4K. They have many export presets. So, but the one I like using is this mobile device. But because I want to post this video on YouTube, so I would use my YouTube preset. I go to this YouTube 180 Full HD and click. Then it comes out. Then everything is intact. And the output name, you click the output name, the name you want to use and export it, the final name it will bear. I want it to bear gospel. Now you choose where the video is going to be saved, where you see the video after exporting. I want to see it in my video after exporting. Then you click save. You see this thing changed to gospel. Now that's all. You make sure this audio format is clicked, then this one imports into project and everything is okay, then you hit export. Thank you guys for watching. If that video was helpful to you, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorial videos like this. I'll be dropping tutorial videos on VFX, how to edit, filmmaking tutorials, and other things. So subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It's becoming every week. That's my promise, every week. So subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.